DIY with Jock.
Looks like we have another project. Gotta fix this door so it don't break nobody's fingers, especially the babies. So first, we're gonna just show you what it does first.
Again.
Then we do a test.
Let's see.
Watch this.
Oh my gosh! The baby. Okay, so it didn't break. Oh, take it out. See, look. Oh my goodness, somebody would have a broke finger. Somebody would have a broke finger, and somebody would have some skin off. Okay.
Gotta get another test in.
Yes. Yep. That is incredibly dangerous. Yep.
So let's get started. We're working with a WRIGHT door opener or door closer. You can find it at Walmart, Lowe's, Home Depot. Link will be in the description if you need one. It comes with great directions. So just follow along and I know you'll be able to do it. We got a new door, and as you saw earlier, it was very hazardous. It would not close, so now we're installing a door closer so we can protect some fingers. I'm going to be quiet for a minute. This kit comes with some screws and 2 fasteners. The first fastener, which is in my hand, we're going to use to place the closer on the door frame. It's going to have some holes. The little frame thing is, I don't even know what to call it. This thing got some holes in it. Place the fastener in the hole. There we go. Make sure it's secure. Make sure it ain't moving. Make sure it ain't flopping everywhere. And soon we're going to get ready to adhere this part to the door. Use the longer fastener for this part. Place it in the hole and be careful to make, you know what, just take your time. Take your time. Place it in the hole. All right, here's the tricky part. If you don't have holes in your door already, you're going to have to pre-drill some holes. You're probably going to need some help. We measured it out from the little white thing, the white piece that we have to put up there. And it takes time, so be patient with yourself. When you finally get it screwed in, you're going to have to do some trial and error. Because based on how you want the door to close, you'll have to make sure that your holes are in the right area. Because I think we had to take ours down. We had to adjust a few times. But when we finally got that sweet spot, you have to keep opening up a door and figuring out. When you find that sweet spot, you in there. And there it is, the sweet spot. It seems like it's better if you put your screw in at the far right or the farthest edge and then work your way in. Because we was struggling trying to get this door together. But you see the sweet spot is already in, and now we're trying to drill the next hole in. Well, put the screw in now. That's how you're going to work. From out to in. Now it's up there. Now it's up there. Now it's time for you to, now it's time to adjust the amount of pressure that it will take to close the door. After adjusting, it's time for the test. Did we do well? I don't know. Let's see. Everything is in. Everything is looking good and professional. The test fingers are in. And let's see. Oh goodness. Got a little time to move them fingers. And voila. It's better than broke.